I will keep on videoing it. I'll keep videoing it.
Okay, you video it and then let me finish up them bushes. They'll be through in a minute and then
I'll keep an eye out and see when they get
I
untangled.
wonder whose dogs they are. They look like nice dogs. They don't have tags on them though.
Maybe just.
Have you ever seen them before?
No, I haven't. Maybe they're just orphan. Maybe they're orphan dogs. Maybe they're orphan dogs. Poor dogs. Reporting news. 2 dogs, a black one and a black and white one, tangled up today and they're right in our front yard. This is right now here at the Joneses' house for Jessica, the Joneses, from the Joneses at work right now, right here at the Joneses.